Hi, I'm Zareen Khan. Welcome to my show, Spices and Secrets. Today I'm going to take you on a journey of the most fantastic Khan cuisine, which is made for all of you with pure love in our hearts. You know, India is very diverse and its cultures are diverse too. We have Eastern cultures, Western cultures, Northern and South India. And the same goes for the food. My own recipes are a mixture of Mughlai and Parsi cuisine with a little twist of the South Indian flavor. Our close friends request us for the foods that they like, and we usually oblige whenever they come to our homes. Today we have two guests who are as different as chalk and cheese. One is a tornado and the other is poison calm. Mix the two ingredients and see what cooks. But before that, I'm going to take you into my kitchen and prepare a new dish called Dahi Wala Baingan specially for you. Now pay close attention to how I prepare the Dahi Wale Baingan. First, I put the pan on the stove, then I take oil. Now, as the oil is heating, take a baingan, brinjal as we call it, this size. It should not be smaller or bigger, and cut it into nice round slices. So here we go. And they should be about a 1/4 inch thick. Baingan is one vegetable that, if well made, it's delicious. We have baingan ka bharta, we have this dahi wale baingan. So it's a question of how you prepare this dish. Especially vegetarians enjoy this dish very much. This is the round slice of the brinjal. Now we gently put this in to fry. The flame must be always high because we want them to be deep fried. Now these have got to be well fried. Until these are fried, keep it on this tissue paper to soak out all the extra oil. And then, of course, we finalize the dish. As we go along, you will see the same. Baingans taste good in any formation. This is a Persian dish and it's very cooling and also very soothing. And hence, I'm sure you will love it. This dish is very easy to prepare and quick to make. Now the baingan is just beginning to sizzle, so it's done. So I'm going to take this out and put it onto the tissue to drain out all the excess oil. Did you know that baingans are also a very popular dish in France, in Spain, in Italy, also in China? But I don't think their dishes come out as tasty as our Indian baingan dishes. You know why? Because we have those spices which really bring out the taste of the vegetable, and it's never totally bland. Now I think the baingan is ready. So we are going to remove this one by one and place it on the tissue paper to drain out all the excess oil. So here we go. You know, you can make out that the baingan is ready because it gets a lovely golden color and not black. Be careful, otherwise it gets burned. So here we go, one by one. I pick them back again and put them on the serving dish, like this. One of the easiest dishes, actually. And the preparation time is only about 15 minutes. There we go. They are placed nicely here. As you can see them, this is just the way it is. Now see what happens. Now the baingan is well placed on the serving dish. So take some yogurt, and this is what we do to make it look very appealing. We spread the yogurt on each of the pieces, just enough that the bengan is also seen. There, that's what you have. And lastly, you start sprinkling the spices, the special spices which we Indians are famous for. We start with the pepper, that is the kali miri. We sprinkle the pepper on this, see. Then it is the jeera powder. The jeera powder goes next. That brings in the taste, the flavor, because jeera definitely gives a special taste. And last, for the color and the spice of life, the lal mirchi. See, look at the color coming on, the various shades of the Indian spices. And the last, the final bit is, for the color, is the coriander. See this? This is the ready dish of the dahi wale bengan. And if you missed anything, here's the recap.
For dahi wala bengan, take one large brinjal, cut it into roundels of ½ inch thickness each, then deep fry them. Place the fried slices on a kitchen paper to drain the excess oil. Now, place the fried brinjal slices on a serving plate. Pour the yogurt on the brinjal slices, black pepper powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, and finely chopped fresh coriander. Your dahi wala bengan is ready to serve.